Welcome to Istanbul, the city where Europe and Asia look at each other across the water. We're Anton and Kristina from TravelJournal. We start in the historic heart of Istanbul, near famous Hagia Sophia Mosque. Between ancient mosques, street sellers, and thousands of people passing by every hour, a couple of times a day you will hear the call to prayer. For some, maybe a bit disturbing, especially at about 4 a.m. Down by the water, the city slows down just a little. On Galata Bridge, people fish, talk, drink tea, and simply watch the day go by. I love this part of Istanbul because it's not a show for tourists, because this is just daily life. For some people, this bridge is their office with the best view in the world. We dive into the Grand Bazaar and the streets around it. It's noisy, a little chaotic, and completely addictive. You'll probably pay too much for something here. But behind every shop there's a person with a story, a family. That's what makes this place special, not just the souvenirs. In Istanbul, you're never more than a few steps away from food. Street grills, fresh juice, sweets, simit for breakfast. It's impossible to stay hungry here. The prices change from place to place, but one thing stays the same. People are proud of what they serve you. It's not just a snack, it's a small piece of their culture. When the sun starts to drop, Istanbul changes again. Lights switch on, traffic slows down, and the city starts to reflect in the water. On the night cruise, music, dance, and lights mix together. It's touristy, sure, but it's also a lot of fun. If you enjoyed this real unfiltered walk through Istanbul, hit subscribe and join us on our next trip. We don't chase perfect shots. We just share the way travel really feels.